Hello friends, myself Harshal Paradikar. I am Assistant Professor at Department of Mathematics, Rizlal Biani Science College, Amravati. And today we are taking one topic from the unit 4 of Theory of Equation from the paper Algebra and Trigonometry of class BSc first year semester 1. And we are going to learn different type of equations. So the topic is as per the MCQ type what we can say it MCQ type. There is a question papers of MCQ type, so answers should be MCQ type, and we are going through this as the definition part and as the important part from the point exam point of view. So what are type of equations? There are different type of equations. Considering with we start with the linear equation. A linear equation is an equation with in which the highest power of the variable is 1, and it is known as the equation of 1 degree, and the standard form of the linear equation is given by ax plus b, where x is variable and a and b are the constant. Now the quadratic equation, the equation of the degree 2 is said to be the quadratic equation, and the given standard form is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where x is a variable and x, a, b, c are the constant. Similarly, we are going to the cubic equation. The equation of degree 3 is known as the cubic equation. The standard form of the linear equation in one variable is given by ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d equal to 0, where x is a variable and a, b, c, d are the constant. Similarly, biquadratic equation. The biquadratic equation is equation of degree 4, and it has the same type of standard form in one variable. Now the complete equation. What actually mean by complete equation? An equation of the form f of x equal to 0 that represents like this, that is a0 x to the power n plus a1 x to the power n minus 1 plus a2 x to the power n minus 2 plus up to so on an minus 1 xn an minus 1 x to the power 1 plus an x to the power 0 equal to 0. So this equation is said to be complete if it contains all x to the power k for k is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 up to so on n. What actually this means? This actually means if certain equation is said to be a complete equation in one variable, then we need all degree terms present in the equation. Just like this example, that is 2x cube minus x square plus 4x minus 7 equal to 0. This is equation. It has all degree terms. That is x to the power 3 is present, x to the power 2 is present, x to the power 1 is present, and x to the power 0 is present. That means if it is cubic, if there is a cubic equation, it should have all these terms. If it is biquadratic equation, then we should have x to the power 4, x to the power 3, x to the power 2, x to the power 1, and x to the power 0 present in the equation with a non-zero constant as a coefficient of it. Okay. So and the next one is the root of the equation. So the root of the equation is f of x equal to 0 is any value of x which satisfies the equation. That means if we say that a is a root, then f of a equal to 0. Depending on this definition, we have a theorem or a statement. We can say that every equation of degree n has n roots and no more. What actually this means, if equation is of degree n, then it has n roots. If equation of quadratic, if the equation is quadratic, then it has two roots. If equation is cubic, then it has three roots. If the equation is of degree 4, then it has four roots. And the root might be similar. It says that the roots of a1 and a2 may be equal, but the roots remain n in number. If the degree of the equation is n, then it has n roots and no more. So this is our first lecture of the part theory of equation. So what we have learned? We have learned the linear equation, quadratic equation, cubic equation, biquadratic equation. What is mean by complete equation? What is the root of the equation? And a certain statement of the theorem that the equation is of degree n, then it has n roots and no more. Thank you so much.